Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my personal project. I am Mentari and today I would like to show you guys few things that you need to know about my personal project, which is the water pump converter prototype. And now, without further ado, let's jump to the explanation part. So, as you guys can see on the screen, we have the main parts. The main parts of my prototype product has three sections, which are the water pump, power source, and filter. And now, I'll be explaining about the water pump section. This part function is to hold and carry the dirty water and transfer it into the filter through the hose so that we could get the clean water result. And here are the components of the water pump section, which are the DC water pump and a hose. And now I'll be explaining about the power source section. In order to power every electrical components, we'll be needing the batteries as the power source so that everything could work as we planned. And here are the power sources components. Includes 1865 O batteries, socket, and a charging port. The batteries are rechargeable so we could save more money and less waste. And now for the filter section, we need this part for converting the dirty water into clean water, and this part needs to be replaced after it gets really dirty. And here are the filter components. The one is the DC water pump filter, and these two are the replaceable parts, which are the sponges. And now, as you guys can see on the screen, we need every single part here to be connected together in order to get the water result. So when you guys hit the switch button, the power source will be activated and the water pump will work to pump the water, and the water will goes through the pump and the hose, and then it goes through the filter, and boom, we've got the result. And now let's talk about the product testing. So the first one here, we've got the easy level, medium level, hard level, extreme level, and extremely hard level. In this section, we are going to test my prototype product ability on several level samples so that we can know the product capability level when working. So for the first one, we've got the easy level. The easy level contains a dirty water with leaves on the right cup, and the left cup contains the result after being tested with my prototype, which seems clear enough. And for the second one is the medium level. The medium level contains a dirty water with coconut fiber as branches on the right cup, and the left cup contains the result after being tested with my prototype, which is also so clear. And for the next one, we've got the hard level. The hard level contains a dirty water with sand on the right cup, and the left cup contains the result after being tested with my prototype, which seems quite clear enough. Okay, now let's move on to the extreme level. The extreme level contains a dirty water with leaves, coconut fiber as the branches or the twig, and sand. They're on the right cup, and the left cup contains the results after being tested with my prototype, which is quite clear. Okay, so for the last one, which is the extremely hard level. The extremely hard level contains the soil from the ground, which is commonly found in mud hole or a puddle with water. On the left cup and the right cup contains the results after being tested with my prototype, which I would say that the filter does a really good job at separating the soil, but it does not make the water clear looking enough, since it seems like it is unable to separate the smallest particle. And now let's move on to the next one. Why do I pick those elements? The reason why I pick those elements as my samples are because those elements are commonly found in the nature. Here, take a look at these pictures. Well, what do you see? You'll be seeing a lot of rocks, sand, twig, branches, and leaves. But if you guys take a look at this one, I think this one still could be safe. But this one, well, I don't think you guys could see anything else except for death, poison, pollution, and danger. Well, does that mean your product is unsuccessful since it only works on the nature level? Nope, you're wrong. Wait, how? Well, the whole idea of my product is to combine two problems into one solution, which is the dealing with dirty water and wasting time pumping the water. So, these two ideas or these two solutions will be combined together in order to create a product that could work together to get a better result than working alone. You know what they say, teamwork makes the dream work. So, does that mean that's the reason why your product is called prototype? Well, here's the explanation. Wow, what a long text. So, the reason this product is called prototype is because so that the product could be developed in the future as needed. Let's just say we need this product for outdoor survival stuff. Then it will be designed as simple as it could and using not too big water pump because people only going to use it as a water for cleaning themselves or cooking, which only needs a few amounts of water. And of course, using a portable energy sources so that the user could save the energy and bring it everywhere. Well, but if we need it for a home use water tank, then we need a more massive water pump power so that it could revert the water even faster and we can use an electric power since it will be placed at home and the quiet big system could be placed in somewhere and stays since it is for a home use. But if we need it for industrial use, then we could multiply the efficiency such as using a faster pump and a bigger hose. But hey, how much does your project prototype here cost? It only cost around 55,000 rupiah or 3.63 United States dollar, which is extremely cheap and low priced. Wow, okay. Now we're done here and now let's move on to the last part, which is the evident footages. Audio Jungle.